Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Ulefone 16 Note Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our contacts app, and right here in the top corner we have to open settings and open blocked numbers. As you can see, I don't have any blocked numbers, so let me block one quickly. And look, here is my blocked number, and all we have to do to unblock this number is just click on this icon next to the number, and then we have to click unblock. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!